The soul sparks. Give them to me. Lifetimes have I waited. Now I can rest knowing that everything left of my people is preserved for eternity. I have created an ark to preserve what is left of the Drzyr. Though all of N'Erud will cease, my ark will endure, and these sparks will join the consciousness of the countless others within. Our fate is inevitable. The Custodian will return N'Erud to Alepsis Tora. It will not emerge a second time. All that remains is yourself. Tell me, do you believe in free will? Perhaps. Not so the Drzyr. I once believed in free will. The Ambit Ember has since shown me the fate of all things. For the Drzyr, free will was an illusion. All of our achievements pointed us here, to Alepsis Tora. Our every action since was inevitable. Yet I did not foresee you. Or perhaps I chose. That is your choice. You must believe your will is your own. Thus do the living endure their finite existence. So, what say you? The only life the Drzyr have found in eons. All that is left in this universe. To continue without would be a great loss. So, we will not do so. Your will is not greater than that of the universe, nor my own. You will join us, small one, no matter the form.
I'm in trouble. You scrapped with the wrong guy. Whoa! Owned! Oh my god.